I want to show y'all something here. This is a knife that we got, and it was broken. And a lot of times people will bring me their knives, and they'll tell me that it's not locking whenever they open it. And it is always for the exact same reason. And I'm going to show you here. This knife becomes super dangerous to use. Even if it does lock in place, it's never going to hold. Hopefully you could be able to see inside of there. Well, watch this. You can start to see it right there. You see that little gap? That's where it is broken. See it? So the piece that holds everything together on the inside snapped right there. So you can push it down still and it'll lock in place. Like, you might get lucky where it opens and locks, but yeah, you go trying to use this knife, you are definitely going to hurt yourself. I'm going to throw this knife away because it is super dangerous. Yep, there's the broken piece right there. This knife has to go right there.